I'm going to show you how you can add a plugin to CcpNmr analysis. This could be a plugin which you've written yourself, or it could be one which a colleague has given you. Usually when you go to the plugins menu, you'll see these two items, CcpN plugins and user plugins. CcpN plugins includes plugins that we ship directly with our code. So this includes, for instance, a plugin for Franz Mulder's program Potency. And then these three other ones are actually just little demo plugins which we've created to support people who are trying to write their own plugins. If you go to user plugins, then you'll see by default this is simply empty. So I'll show you now how you can add a plugin to this menu item. If we go to File and then Preferences, you'll see there is a Plugins tab here on the right. This shows all the plugins that are available that the program has detected. So this includes all of our various demo plugins and then also this Potency plugin that we've created. If you go to General, you'll see that there is a set of paths here, and one of them is a plugins path. So this is the directory where you can place your own plugins that you've created yourself or that you've been given or downloaded from elsewhere. You can change this to whatever directory you would like, just somewhere convenient for you on your computer. So I'm going to go to that directory, and I've got here a plugin for a version 2 style Atom browser. So I'm just going to unzip this, and you can see it's simply a folder that contains a couple of Python files and a JSON file. Now, if I were to go to Preferences directly, you'll see in the Plugins tab that nothing has changed. That's because it's only when the program starts up that it will detect whether there are any plugins in this path that's specified here. So we'll have to restart the program, or obviously you need to make sure you unpack your plugin before you start the program. So I've now restarted the program and opened a suitable test project. So now if we go to File Preferences, you will see in Plugins that there's an additional one called Atom Browser that has been added. If you wish, you can click Load, and then if you go to Plugins, User Plugins, I can now see Atom Browser. And here it is. I can select my chain and view it in various different ways.